This is DJI's Mavic Mini, the company's ultra-lightweight 249-gram drone, and in its Fly More combo packaging that we've got, it comes with a lot of goodies. First up are the main bits. In this very nice carry case, you find the drone itself, which is really compact, and we'll get into it in a bit more detail in just a few. Next, there's the companion remote control, which is how you control the Mavic Mini, and you also find a triple battery charger. DJI also bundles a few replacement propellers with the packaging, which is really thoughtful of them, and a lot of cables. The ones in black help you connect your phone to the Mavic's remote, and the ones in white are for recharging. There's also a handy tool for propeller replacement and the thumbsticks for the controller. But we're not done, because there's a host of other things. This big box has the propeller guard, so your drone and its propeller stay protected when flying. And then there are smaller boxes. This one has some documentation to help you get started, while this one houses the battery. So you get 3 batteries out of the box, and they can be charged easily using the power pack, which can also be used to charge other devices. So this sort of has a 2-in-1 functionality. And to sum up the unboxing experience is a pretty standard charging brick. So some of the things about the Mavic Mini now: it's 249 grams as I said before, which is really lightweight and fits in the palm of your hands. It's also built pretty well, and the rear of the drone is where you'd slot in the battery. With it, you can fly up to 30 minutes before having to replace the battery, which is pretty good flight time, to be honest. The bottom of the drone has a sensor to detect objects, while on the front you find a 2.7K Quad HD Plus video capable gimbal stabilized camera with a 12 megapixel resolution for photos as well. This is something we're really excited to put to the test. The drone works using the remote control, which has its built-in antennas and this retractable mechanism to house your smartphone. Between the remote control and the drone, you get about a 2-kilometer range, but we're yet to put that to the test. Now, you can put the thumbsticks on pretty easily on the remote, which is nice, and to connect the drone you use DJI's new Fly application, which is said to be available on both iOS and Android platforms once the drone releases. We've had a small test flight with the Mavic Mini, and it's been quite intuitive to control, even for someone who's never flown a drone before, and with the propeller guards, you can stay relatively at ease when practicing indoors as well. With the Mavic Mini though, there's still a lot more to explore, and in due time we'll follow up with some footage samples. Remember, the drone releases on November the 11th, starting at a price of 1,395 dirhams, and this combo package is for 1,795 dirhams, and around about then we'll also follow up with a more detailed look at video footage samples and the experience with DJI's new Fly application on both Android and iOS platforms. So thanks for watching our first look at the Mavic Mini, and let us know what you think about it down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and like the video while you're at it as well. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.